All right, let's go ahead and get this match started. Autonomous control in 3, 2, 1, go. Hurricane Hackers and Tesla both have been very consistent in their autonomous all day. Looks like Red is going to win the autonomous. Again, they've been very consistent all day long. So Red gets autonomous and we're ready for driver control in 3, 2, 1, go. While this match is going on, check out the bracket on the kid screen to see if you are in the next match. And it looks like Hurricane Hackers got tangled up just a little bit, but now they're back to moving. Tesla Model X being hounded in the corner. They're just in the corner, ready to wait. Now they're kind of quickly moving out, and nicely done. They blocked and allowed Hurricane Hackers to get in with more rings. And now Tesla Model X moves into their position, and so now they're blocking. And so at the moment, Red has both corners taken care of, and really have no reason to not just defend them at the moment. Hurricane Hackers trying to grab that bot. Our blue bots, one of the blue bots is tangled up, looks like Vapor is tangled up on the ring. On the other side, it's Totally Humans trying to, I think, get in there defensively, and Tesla Model X is not allowing any movement whatsoever. We're down to 28 seconds left. Tesla Model X continues to just hold its ground. Again, a big, strong bot, heavy bot versus a somewhat lighter bot. So coming up, and now they let him out with 17 seconds left. Can they do it? No, they can't. And so now they got to back away. Tesla Model X took a little bit of a risk there, but it paid off as they continue to grab rings along with the Hackers. And that's going to do it for